Chia seeds are a powerful superfood that can significantly enhance your health. Many people struggle with poor nutrition due to processed foods, leading to fatigue, digestive issues, and chronic diseases. Chia seeds are rich in fiber, protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants, making them an excellent addition to any diet. One of the biggest concerns in modern diets is a lack of fiber, which is essential for digestion, bowel function, cholesterol control, and blood sugar regulation. Chia seeds provide a high-fiber solution, helping to prevent constipation and reduce the risk of heart disease and diabetes. They can easily be added to foods like yogurt, salads, and smoothies to support healthy digestion. Many also experience low energy due to poor nutrition, stress, and lack of sleep. Chia seeds are packed with protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates that provide sustained energy. Their antioxidant content reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, further preventing fatigue. Scientific studies confirm chia seeds' benefits, including improved cholesterol levels, better blood sugar control, and support for weight management. Their high fiber and protein content help regulate appetite, keeping you fuller for longer and supporting healthy weight loss. The antioxidants in chia seeds, such as chlorogenic acid and quercetin, help neutralize free radicals, reducing inflammation and chronic disease risk. Chia seeds are easy to incorporate into meals and snacks, making them a simple yet effective way to boost health. Many people have reported increased energy, improved digestion, and better overall well-being after adding chia seeds to their diet. Whether you're looking to improve digestion, maintain a healthy weight, or boost energy, chia seeds are a versatile and nutritious choice. If you've tried chia seeds, share your experiences in the comments below. Stay tuned for my next video, where I'll be sharing more tips on healthy eating and nutrition.